Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The third poem that I choose to read, written by this brilliant young poet from Lalbagh, Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir, India, Wasim A. Malla, is titled You Are. And again, a very, very sensitively written poem. Very sensitively written poem, and it is completely pointless, I now realize, after reading his third poem. Of the 19 or 13 so poems he has published on poemhunter.com, that it is completely futile to speak further about this genius, and therefore let's straight dive into his consciousness, of his perception of the universe, into the crevices of his mind, and thoroughly enjoy his creation. So, You Are by Wasim A. Malla. You are the moon, too bright to make the stars look pale. A cloud laden with showers of rain, a flower, the best one can find in a vale, the touch, relieving the ailing of their pain. You are the sun, with the universe orbiting around, the wind, all-time pacific and serene, a song, or the best that can be is sound, a stream, virgin, untouched, and clean. You are the wine, depriving the wise of their sanity, the fire and the water, all armistices and no strife. The one who is justified in all her vanity, the one who is dearer than even my life. You are the breeze that relieves the dwellers of the earth, the lightning piercing the blackest of the cloud, the joy, the delight, the gaiety, and the mirth, the thundering as much patient, not as much loud. You're the snow, weightless, soft, and divine bright, the night, hiding all the wonders of the land, the glow buried in the wisps of the night, the day as spent on the beaches and the sand. You are the magic stretching beyond the limits of a mind, the sea, saline, vast, and limitless blue. The unique, one amongst the millions of this kind, the puzzle, intriguing, hintless, and without a clue. You are what an angel remains without a wing. The fragrance, the most pleasing among the sensations. A smile, the mood-straightening curved thing. The ardor of mine, defeating all others of my passions. You are the soul, which rejuvenates the body's mortal, the grievance that needs no reason ever, the thoughts within my being that do hurtle, the love of mine which will fade never. Subhanallah. Subhanallah. Absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Wasim A. Mullah. "21-year-old young man. No words to express my gratitude for you having penned down these wonderful, wonderful gems. My only request to you, keep writing. दुनिया में बहुत सारे मिलेंगे जो ये कहेंगे कि लिखने में क्या रखा है, लिखना छोड़ दीजिए। लेकिन लिखते रहिएगा, क्योंकि आपने जो पोएम हंटर में अपने गुरुओं का नाम लिखा है, जिनसे आप इंस्पायर्ड हैं, ये स्पष्ट है कि उनकी रूह आपको छू गई है। और जब ऐसी आत्माओं की रूह किसी को छू जाती है तो फिर उससे छूटना नामुमकिन है। और क्या कैद है वो! खुदा ऐसी कैद बहुत कम लोगों को देता है, बहुत कम लोग ऐसी कैद पाते हैं। तो इस कैद को पूरी शौकी से लूटिए, इस कैद को बाइज्जत काटिए और अपने आप को हिंदुस्तान, पाकिस्तान, श्रीलंका, बांग्लादेश, इन इंसान के बनाए हुए टुकड़ों पर ही समेटे न रखिएगा। सारे विश्व में जितने भी दिल वाले हैं, उन सभी के दिलों पर राज करिए। खुदा से मेरी यही रिक्वेस्ट है और उनसे यही दुआ है कि आपको लंबी उम्र दें और आपको ये करज दिया करें कि बेखौफ लिखें, बेखौफ लिखें, अपने दिल की बात लिखें, अपनी रूह की बात लिखें। लिखते रहो, लिखते रहो। आई एम प्राउड ऑफ यू। लिखते रहो। एंड थैंक यू फॉर penning such gems. Thank you, young man. Thank you, brother from Jammu and Kashmir. Thank you.